Gazans buried 2 youths martyred by Israeli forces. Turkey to become global player in defense industry, Erdogan. Death toll from Russian airstrike in Idlib rises to 15. Bahraini NGO slams conference for inviting Israelis. Algerian lawyers rally for Bouteflika resignation. US Embassy warns of imminent attack in Tripoli. Kazakhstan renames its capital as Nur Sultan. Pakistan and Malaysia voice concern of rising Islamophobia. Blast hit crowd marking Farmers' Day in Afghanistan. Pakistani FM praises timely OIC meeting in Turkey. India, Muslim family attacked by mob. India's Modi greets Pakistani people for National Day.